Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This video is about unboxing of Kingspec 240GB SSD which I brought from AliExpress. I brought this around $28.45 which is approximately 2000 rupees. Same capacity SSDs are around 4000 rupees in India. I ordered this SSD after searching the net for reviews. After satisfying only, I purchased this one. The product got delivered within 15 days. Let's start the unboxing. Normally, Chinese products were shipped with much lower price tag to escape the customs duty. From outside, the box is looking nice. Let's see inside. They had given a gift coupon of $2 so that we can give them a 5-star rating. The SSD is very light in weight. I will review this SSD in the next video.